Woodpeckers Versa-Fence replaces the half-inch laminated plywood fence face of your SawStop T-Glide fence with a 7/8 inch hardcoat-anodized extrusion. It's longer, straighter, smoother, tougher, and more versatile than the stock fence face. And it installs in just minutes. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and see how they're made. We begin by cutting 10-foot extrusions of aluminum track to size on our auto saw. The fence faces are then sanded to a smooth finish. After they're cut and sanded, we send them off-site to receive their tough PTFE hard coat, more commonly known as Teflon. Over at our laser cutter, we're cutting the static fence components from 10-foot sheets of 14-gauge steel. And in our turning department, we're working on the threaded clamping rods. When the fence faces have returned, they head to our laser department to receive their brand graphics. Finally, the parts are sent to our assembly department, where each tool is packaged and shipped directly to your shop. Like all Woodpeckers products, each Versa-Fence is precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in our Strongsville, Ohio facility. Upgrade your SawStop table saw with a fence that's straighter, smoother, and tougher. Order your Versa-Fence today.